Case Study Success Story, the Python program that includes a project manpower schedule and project P&L, planned versus actual, provides several key benefits to project management professionals, PMPs. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. 1. Manpower Utilization Monitoring. Planned versus actual manpower, the program allows PMPs to track manpower usage across different project phases. Comparing planned and actual manpower helps identify discrepancies, allowing project managers to make adjustments where necessary, example reallocating resources or adding more resources. Resource allocation efficiency, PMPs can quickly assess whether certain stages of the project required more or fewer resources than planned, which informs future projects and resource planning strategies. Time-related adjustments, it shows how the manpower allocation aligns with the project timeline, helping PMPs identify whether delays or accelerations are happening due to manpower constraints. 2. Project Financial Health. Planned versus actual P&L, the profit and loss section tracks the project's financial performance by comparing planned revenues and costs with actual revenues and costs for each phase of the project. Budget control, PMPs can monitor whether the project is sticking to the budget or whether there are budget overruns or savings at each stage. This comparison helps in timely corrective actions, such as cutting unnecessary costs or seeking additional funds if required. Financial forecasting and risk management, by tracking the differences between planned and actual P&L, PMPs can forecast future budget performance and plan for risks like potential cost overruns, underperformance, or unforeseen financial issues. 3. Early identification of issues. Schedule and cost delays. With the comparison of planned versus actual values, PMPs can quickly identify if the project is falling behind schedule or exceeding its budget, allowing for early intervention. Anomalies in project phases. The graph can reveal significant anomalies in specific project phases, example a large variance in manpower usage or cost overruns. Recognizing these discrepancies early enables PMPs to take proactive measures to get the project back on track. 4. Improved decision-making. Informed adjustments. With the real-time financial and manpower comparison, PMPs can make informed decisions about whether to adjust resource allocation, shift timelines, or increase/decrease budgets. The data helps optimize resource usage and financial management. Visual representation. The vibrant colors and clear charts provide PMPs with easy-to-understand insights into both manpower and financial performance, making it easier to communicate with stakeholders and senior management. 5. Tracking project milestones and phases. Detailed phase analysis. The chart allows PMPs to track progress through specific project phases, enabling them to assess the actual performance relative to expectations in real time. Milestone alignment. By visualizing manpower and financial data for each project milestone, PMPs can confirm whether each stage was executed as planned or if adjustments are necessary to meet upcoming deadlines or budgets. 6. Resource and financial planning for future projects. Post-project analysis. After project completion, the PMPs can use the data from the planned versus actual charts to analyze what went well and where improvements are needed for future projects. Template for future planning. The program also offers a template that can be reused in other projects, allowing PMPs to replicate successful resource and budget management practices. 7. Stakeholder communication and reporting. Clear visualization for stakeholders. The clear visual representations of manpower usage and P&L allow PMPs to communicate the project's progress more effectively to stakeholders, such as senior management or clients. Impact of resource changes on financials. The data also enables PMPs to explain how changes in manpower allocation affect project costs and revenues, making it easier to justify decisions related to resource or budget adjustments. 8. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Track financial and resource metrics in real time. By integrating this program into the project management dashboard, PMPs can have a real-time view of both manpower and financial health, helping them stay informed and react quickly to emerging issues. Key takeaways for PMPs. The combination of manpower tracking and financial analysis allows PMPs to keep the project on track, on budget, and on time. The program helps to identify discrepancies early and provides PMPs with the tools they need to make informed decisions. The visual clarity makes it easier for PMPs to communicate complex project data to stakeholders in a way that is easily understandable. By using this approach, PMPs can ensure that their projects are managed efficiently and profitably, minimizing risks while maximizing success. In summary, the Python program helps project management professionals by providing them with a dynamic, visual tool to manage resources, track project performance, and make data-driven decisions throughout the project lifecycle, which are crucial for achieving project goals. Detailed explanation of the line chart, project manpower usage and P&L, planned vs actual. The line chart titled Project Manpower Usage and P&L, Planned vs Actual, by Pradeep K. Suri provides a comparison of the planned and actual manpower usage and profit and loss, P&L, in INR over time from February 2024 to July 2024. Here's a detailed breakdown. Components of the chart. Axes. 1 X-axis. Labels, months from February 2024 to July 2024. Description, this axis represents the timeline over which the project's manpower usage and P&L are tracked. 2 Y-axis. Labels, values in INR, Indian rupees, ranging from 0 to 800k for P&L, and a separate scale for manpower. Description, this axis measures both the financial figures, P&L, and the manpower usage over time. Data lines. 1 Planned manpower, blue line. Trend, remains constant at 0 throughout the period. Description, indicates the planned number of manpower, though it's unusual that this is 0. 2 Actual manpower, orange line. Trend, also remains constant at 0 throughout the period. Description, indicates the actual number of manpower, matching the planned value of 0, which might suggest an issue or a special condition. 3 Planned P&L, INR, green line. February 2024, starts at approximately 200k INR. April 2024, peaks at around 700k INR. July 2024, declines to about 300k INR. Description, shows the planned profit and loss over time, with a significant peak in April 2024. 4 Actual P&L, INR, red line. February 2024, starts at approximately 200k INR. April 2024, peaks at approximately 600k INR. July 2024, declines to about 300k INR. Description, shows the actual profit and loss over time, following a similar trend to the planned P&L but with lower peaks. Key observations. Manpower usage. Both planned and actual manpower usage remain constant at 0 throughout the period. This might indicate a data entry issue, an oversight, or a specific condition where manpower usage isn't applicable or tracked for this project. Profit and loss, P&L. Planned P&L, peaks in April 2024 at around 700k INR, suggesting a planned high revenue or high expense period. Actual P&L, follows a similar trend but peaks lower at approximately 600k INR in April 2024, indicating that the project did not fully meet the planned financial expectations. Consistency, both planned and actual P&L start and end at similar values, around 200k INR in February 2024 and around 300k INR in July 2024, showing some level of alignment between planned and actual financial outcomes. Insights. Financial performance, the chart highlights discrepancies between planned and actual P&L, with actual values being consistently lower than planned. This indicates potential underperformance or unanticipated expenses. Manpower data, the constant 0 for both planned and actual manpower usage suggests either an oversight, a special condition where manpower isn't relevant, or a data issue that needs addressing. Summary. This line chart provides a visual comparison of the planned and actual values for both manpower usage and P&L from February to July 2024. It highlights the project's financial trends and discrepancies, with a particular focus on the significant peak in April 2024. However, the zero values for manpower usage may require further investigation or clarification. Thank you.